Namaste. Put your buttocks on your heels. As a modification, you can use a block to assist you. Your back is straight. Try to build inner harmony. Put your hands together in Namaste. Close your eyes and create a space for your practice. Breathe smoothly and softly. Face is relaxed. Do not analyze or praise anything. Let it be. Enjoy the process. Excellent. Sit down cross-legged. Breathing in, make your hands into a lock behind your head and move your hands further back. Breathing out, twist to the side. Go on at your own rhythm. Movement follows the breath. Twist on exhale. On inhale, return to the center. Your back is straight. Good. Get into downward facing dog. On inhale, step forward with your right leg. Drop your left knee to the floor. Bend and unbend your leg. Breathing in, bend your leg, head up. Breathing out, bend down to your leg. Go on at your own rhythm. Movement follows the breath. You can half straighten your knee. A few more dynamic repetitions. Hold the position. Feel the stretch in the back thigh. You can drop your head or keep it slightly raised. On exhale, move into downward facing dog. On inhale, step forward with your left leg. Drop your right knee to the floor. Bend and unbend your leg. Focus your attention on where the main action is. A few more dynamic repetitions. Hold the position. Breath is slow and soft. Try to relax the stretching muscles. Excellent. On exhale, move into downward facing dog. Get into a lying position on your back. Put your feet together and drop your knees towards the floor. Breathing in, move your hands behind your head. Breathing out, lower them to the feet. Go on at your own rhythm. Movement follows the breath. Focus your knees towards the floor. Movements are light, breathing is calm. Excellent. Get into standing at attention pose. Put a slight bend in your knee. Twist to the right and to the left with relaxation. Nice, calm mood. Release any tension. Eyes and face are relaxed. Good. On inhale, put your palms together overhead. On exhale, bend downward. Go on at your own rhythm. Movement follows the breath. Breathing in, up. Breathing out, down. Distribute your weight evenly. You can half straighten your legs. Do the work symmetrically. Excellent. Move your arms to the side and connect your palms with force. Breathing in, your hands go up. Breathing out, namaste, and go down. Go on at your own rhythm. Face is relaxed. A few more dynamic repetitions. Hold the position. Excellent. Put your right foot on your left hip. Bring your hands together at the level of your chest. Eyes and face are relaxed. Keep your internal balance. Switch sides. Breathe smoothly and softly. Peace and harmony inside. On exhale, exit the position. Make a step sideways with your left foot. Bend your left leg and pull your arms apart. Look left. Move your pelvis down. On inhale, go back to the center and switch sides. Look right. Release any tensions in the neck and shoulders. Excellent. Go back to the front edge of your mat. On inhale, put your palms together overhead. Then bend down, put your palms and fingers on the floor and rock from heels to toes. Then swing from side to side. Good. On an inhale, rise. Get into a lying position on your belly. Breathing in, catch your feet with your hands and lift up. Try to keep your feet together. Breath is regular and smooth. On an exhale, come down. Get into child's pose. Release any tension. Relax your arms, waist, back, and face. Relax. Excellent. Make yourself comfortable in a lying position. Relaxation. Rest your arms along your sides. Let your palms relax and face the sky. Close your eyes. Relax. Release all the tension from your body. Relax your face. You will have thoughts and nagging ideas. Just let them pass by like a cloud. If you feel distracted, that's okay. Just accept it and relax into that acceptance. Anything that arises is okay. Just observe it, welcome it, and begin to see it as outside yourself, and let it pass. Begin to notice your breathing. And begin to cultivate peace. Notice your breath. And begin to cultivate acceptance. Just notice. Examine all the parts of your body and invite relaxation into any area that may need it. Relax. Thank you for your likes, comments, and sharing our videos on social media. This helps greatly in growing our channel. See you in the next video.